Hey, welcome. In this section, we are going to be able to retrieve our products based on the selected category. But what we are going to be doing in this lecture is we are going to be able to store whatsoever category the user is going to select into a variable. Now to do this, we have to go back to our VS Code and then widgets folder and then category underscore test dot that or whatsoever you called yours. Okay. And first of all, we want to create a variable to store whatsoever category the user is going to select. Over here, we can say final, or we can just go ahead and say string, 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 and we can call this underscore selected category. And default, we can just not assign any value to it at this point. And over here, we need to say it can be null since we are currently not assigning any value. And currently, Flutter is complaining and it's trying to say we want to do something logical or something dynamic. And it's trying to say this stateless widget is not sufficient enough. So we have to change this to a stateful widget. And also, we're going to be using the set state. And remember, in order to use the set state, you have to use the stateful widget. And over here, we have the action chimp. And within the action chip, we have this on pressed, right? So what we want to do on pressed, we want to set state first of all in order to refresh. Then we want to call that underscore selected category. Then it's gonna be equal to the category data. We basically want to, sorry, I think I made a mistake over here. Category data, category data. So category data, we want to assign the category name to that variable. And this is it. Remember, we wrapped the category test with an action, with a widget known as action chip. And this will basically give us access to each of the category we have over here, or each of the item we have. And now we can print this out as well to make sure, or what we can just do. So first of all, when we click on this action chain button, we want to be able to assign the category name to the variable we have up here, right? And what we can do is outside the stream builder, we can have a comma, put on the column, and we can have a test widget for now. And this is going to be the underscore category, sorry, underscore select category. And let's see what it's saying. Okay, just gonna wrap this. Remember, we use a dollar sign to assign a variable. So category, sorry, underscore select category. What's happening? I'm just gonna undo this. But for now, we can just go ahead and print this out to the debug console. So over here, and then say print underscore select category. Great. And now let's check our terminal to see what's going on there. Opening a new terminal, then output. Okay. So if we click on the egg, it's going to assign that value to it, egg. Okay, we got egg over there. Click on this, it's going to assign that value to this. And everything is working as we expect. Okay, see you in the next lecture.